Garvin Industries stamped steel beam clamps provide an economical alternative to heavy-duty malleable iron beam clamps, but still provide excellent support off of a structural beam. We manufacture these products for metric thread M6 fasteners, for 1024 threaded fasteners, for quarter 20 threaded fasteners, and for 3/8 inch threaded fasteners. As you can see, these beam clamps have threaded holes on the back and also on the bottom to allow the installer to drop fasteners or threaded rod off of the back or the bottom of this beam clamp. The top has an extra long set screw with a combination head so it can be tightened with a screwdriver or a variety of other wrenches and pliers. The installation of this product is quick and easy. You simply align the jaw opening of this beam clamp and slide it directly over the beam.